Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the mud creature from Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this mud creature, and to begin I'm going to draw his eye. So we're going to draw his mean brow first. So we're going to go one kind of slanting upwards like this, and then the other one we're going to go up as well. And then now we can finish off, well, there's no eyeball, so it's just going to be one big socket. So we just come down like this, and then here as well. So just like a U shape. That's pretty much his eyes. And then now we can finish off the brow, so we're going to curve it in. And then here on this side, we're going to draw one little line. And then for this head, which is going to be really easy, we're just going to go up. Just kind of curve it all the way around, and we can stop right around there, or you can just make a little curve in. So now we're going to move down to his mouth. So right underneath the eyes, we're going to come down, and we're going to go up, down, and we're going to draw 3 of them. Okay, and now we're going to come all the way down, and then from down here I draw 3 as well, so kind of matching this space here, right? Okay, and then we're gonna draw one little circle there. Looks like, so the mud looks like it's drooping. And now we can finish off the mouth. So on the inside, we just draw one line like that. So it's really simple. Okay, so now we're gonna draw his arm. So right here, just gonna come down, one curve, and then these are actually his fingers, so 2, and then 3. Let's curve it up. Let's give a little bit of curve there for his palm. And now we're gonna finish off his arm. So back up here, just gonna curve it and just meet up to that area. Okay, so now we got his arm, so we're gonna move down. Well, let's draw the other arm as well. So right here underneath the eye, we're gonna go straight out. And then we're gonna draw his fingers. So we're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, and then this one's gonna come down a little bit. So that's 4. And now we can draw the bottom, the mud, stripping. And going back to the body. Okay, so now we got 2 arms, and let's move on down to the rest of the body. So here we're gonna come down, and we're gonna make a little bit of a strip there, a line, and then we're gonna draw down here one line, and now we're gonna draw his leg. Okay, so this one's gonna come down, just come straight down like that, and now we're gonna draw on the other side, but we have to draw his back first. So from here, just curve it. Okay. So that's gonna be his foot here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and now for the bottom, it's the heel, and just connect that. Okay, and then here we're gonna finish off his body here, and also it's gonna be his other foot, and it's behind. So we're gonna draw the back of it, and this is gonna be his heel. So we're only gonna see a little bit of it. So that's pretty much the body. It's pretty easy, right? I mean, it's just one big glob, and now we can add in just a little bit more detail. So it makes make it look like it's stripping. And that's it for this mud creature from Cuphead. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.